guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another fall recipe as part of YOUTOBER where I post as many videos as I can this month. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy this acorn squash breakfast bowl made with pumpkin. Today, be sure to hit subscribe so you catch all of my recipe videos, and if you happen to try one of these recipes, be sure to share it on Facebook with the hashtag CaseandChef. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.